Look what I found! My favorite. Look at that. That's the orange. This is the purple. I'll take the purple. Ta-da! That's right. You are looking at this beautiful purple sweet potato. And what makes it purple is that it is filled with anthocyanins and polyphenols. And the polyphenols and it's a hard word to pronounce, guys. Anthocyanins. And anthocyanins give it that fresh purple color because of the antioxidants. Now, the origin of this purple sweet potato hails from South America. However, because of its popularity, it has spread throughout the world to China and Africa as well. Now, the big deal with these anthocyanins is it makes it rich in essential vitamins, including vitamin A, beta carotene, and it is very huge in fiber. So eat up. What you're looking at here is the lovely purple sweet potato. I am here to encourage you today to eat vegetables of a different hue and color in the purple and or blue family. Why? Because it is full of anthocyanins. That's a hard word to pronounce, but you definitely want to familiarize yourself with it because anthocyanins are antioxidants which fight against oxidative damage to the organs. This vegetable right here is directly related to your brain, giving you actually boosting your cognitive function, your memory, and your memory ability. It delays mental aging up to 2.5 years. That is huge. And it also helps in keeping your liver healthy. So be kind to your liver by eating a wide variety of anthocyanin containing foods. Yum! What you're looking at here is one of my favorite meals to make. You have beautiful baby spinach, I have the orange sweet potato, and I have the purple sweet potato. Those little dots you see on there is a sprinkle of quinoa. So the reason why I love pairing these two up is because the sweet potato is huge in fiber content. But I know you're wondering, like I once was, what is the difference between the purple sweet potato and the orange sweet potato? Well, they're both very huge in vitamin C, but the two differ for the most part in their phytonutrient profile. The flesh of the orange variety is really rich in beta carotene, which is a form of vitamin A. And amongst other things, this beta carotene really gives it its deep orange color, which you see here, right? Really good. But the purple type sweet potato is packed with anthocyanins. And those anthocyanins, which give it its beautiful, vibrant hue in the phytochemical, makes it a very powerful antioxidant. And this makes it really huge in helping with anti-cancer properties, okay? So I'm thinking that if you could just start believing in both. Most people, just their go-to is the orange sweet potato, but if you believe in both, you're going to really help in lowering your HDL. excuse me, increasing your HDL and lowering your cholesterol. Some more lovely facts about the purple sweet potato, which I've paired up with this spinach here. It's cooking down really lovely. I've added some olive oil. So the purple sweet potato, it also, in its being filled with anthocyanins, helps to reduce blood uric acid levels, which is huge. So it has an inhibiting enzyme which produces uric acid from naturally occurring purines in the body, and it's decreasing transporters in the kidneys that would reabsorb uric acid from the urine, which means that it helps to reduce high blood sugar by increasing insulin sensitivity. It decreases inflammatory molecules and in increasing the production of glucose transporters in the muscles. So this is really good for those who have high blood pressure, diabetes.